my name is Shayna Zuber, and today I will be comparing the value of several different currencies over time. So here are the questions that I'll be addressing. First of all, I will create a chart showing the American dollar, the Canadian dollar, and the British pound is compared to a standard as the value of the US dollar in 1915. And then I will create a graph from that data, and then I will, based on the graph, decide what type of equation would best model that data, and then find the equation for each currency. And then I will answer the equation, or the question, how much will each currency be worth in 2020, and then I will verify that graphically. And then, finally, I will answer the question, when will each currency require either $300 or £300 to equal the value that it had in, that $10 that it had in 1915, and then I will verify that graphically. So here is the data table, and running along here are the years. And then these are the dollars, the pounds, and the Canadian dollars. And so you can see in 1915 we start with a value of $10. And then in the same year we have 2.1 pounds. And 2.1 pounds in the year 1915 equaled $10. So then each value on here has the same value or buying power as the value of $10 in 1915. So when a number is large, the largest number on here, $166.63 in 2000, actually means that the dollar is worth less because it takes more dollars to equal the value that $10 had in 1915. So now I'll be showing you the graphs. And here's the devaluation of the US dollar over time. And so running along here is the number of years since 1915, and then running along the y-axis is the amount of dollars that it would take to equal the value of $10 in 1915. So you can see that the graph goes up. However, because of the way we formatted our graph, that actually means that the value of the dollar is going down. But what is going up is the number of dollars it takes to equal our standard amount. And so here's the British pound, and as you can see, it's a similar situation. The value of the British pound is going down. And again, years since 1915 along the x-axis, pounds it takes to equal the value of $10 in 1915 along the y-axis. And again, one more graph showing the devaluation of the Canadian dollar. So here we have the value of all three all three currencies, and this medium blue right at the bottom, that's the pound, and then this light purpley blue, that's the Canadian dollar, and then this dark blue, which seems to track the Canadian dollar, is the US dollar. So as you can see, these all devalued over time.